Now this part will help us to know about the photosynthesis. Now looking at the equation of photosynthesis, it shows that carbon dioxide plus water, they will react with each other in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll and will form carbohydrate plus oxygen. Now the below diagram is showing the chemical equation of photosynthesis, that is 6CO2. It means 6 molecules of carbon dioxide plus 6 molecules of H2O, that is water. They will react with in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll and will form C6H12O6, that is it is glucose, plus 6O2, that is 6 molecules of oxygen. Now let's see the steps of photosynthesis. First of all, the carbon dioxide will be taken up by the leaves. Next, the water will be taken up by the plant from the root or the leaf. Now, this carbon dioxide and water will react with each other in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll. As the process of photosynthesis will be completed, the carbohydrate will be formed. Now, particularly the glucose in the form of carbohydrate will be formed, and the oxygen will be released in the atmosphere through stomata. Now, many of us has a doubt that what is starch. Actually, the starch is the stored food product. Again, a starch is a chain of a glucose. It means when the glucose is not used by the plants, they store in the form of starch. Now, let's learn about the importance of chlorophyll and the sunlight. Now, chlorophyll is actually the main thing which is capturing the sunlight, while the sunlight is the ultimate source of energy for us. Now, there are some interesting facts about the photosynthesis, that we have seen many plants which are red, yellow, brown in color, and that plants' leaves are also of this color. So, do they perform photosynthesis? The answer is yes, they do perform the photosynthesis. They do have the chlorophyll as a pigment, but the pigments like red, yellow and brown, this pigments amount is very much high, so it masks the green colored pigment, that is chlorophyll. Now many of us have seen that algae is present in the water, and that water is mainly the stagnant water, and that algae looks like slimy green patches. Why it is green in color? Because it is also having a chlorophyll and it is also performing the process of photosynthesis. Now, instead of carbohydrate, other food products are also prepared by the plants, and that food products are related to the proteins, fats and vitamins. Now, proteins are actually the nitrogenous substances. It means they are having the nitrogen in it. Now we all know that in the atmosphere 78% of nitrogen is there, but this nitrogen is not at all used by the plants, because plants need a different form of nitrogen, and that different form of nitrogen is actually synthesized by the soil bacteria. It means the bacteria which are living in the soil. Now what this bacteria will do, they will convert the atmospheric nitrogen into the usable form and release in the soil itself, and this usable form nitrogen will be accepted by the roots of the plants, and now the plants will utilize this nitrogen for making